Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to go ahead and rebuild the cylinder heads for the 3.7 liter V6 engine for the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into this cylinder head rebuild. We are installing the camshaft, we are installing the lifters after we pre-soaked them. We do have to put the camshaft carriers on the top, make sure the bearings are all good and everything, and we got to torque them down. So in this video, I am adding all the torque specs for everything on the cylinder head. Then you're going to see me install the cylinder head onto the Jeep itself. Now I am going to include the torque specs on that as well, with being the cylinder head, the head bolts, also the tightening sequence. That way you guys have that. So hey, this one's a little elaborate. I know, rebuilding a cylinder head's not that fun, but I'm going to add in the torque specs, but I'm also going to have it as a time lapse. So you guys will definitely enjoy this one. So here we go.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
All right, guys, there you have it. The rebuild of the 3.7 liter cylinder head for that V6 engine on the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Man, I loved it. It was a beautiful build. I had a lot of fun doing it. You know, if you guys ever wonder what I'm doing when I have the sound off on the video and I'm doing a voiceover, it's because I'm jamming out to some music. I'm having fun. But it keeps me focused all the same. So that's the great part about it. Hey, if you guys don't have time to do this stuff, you know you have the know-how, you know you would love to do it, but you just don't have the time, but you still want to save money every year on your vehicle repairs, give these guys a call. These are guys over at Protect My Car. They are a great team over there. They can save you up to 75% on your repairs, give you those oil changes and tire rotations free anytime you want. Just give them a call. If you don't have time to fix your car, give them a call, okay? Too easy. If you do have time, hey, I'm leaving all the parts and tools used in today's video in the video description down below. Also, did you guys know that this job is upwards of $2,000 to $2,500 to get completed? But I'm showing it to you for free right here on the channel, which is awesome, right? You're saving thousands of dollars, and I told you were gonna do it by checking out the channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is the time. Smash that button in the lower right-hand corner. Make sure the bell notification is hit as well. That way you get notified of all my future DIY auto repair videos, saving you hundreds and thousands of dollars this year, guys. So thank you so much, and until next time, guys, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.